The fire pump room is located in parking garage level P3 next to the sequel elevator landing. During your daily rounds, if you find water on the floor in the fire pump room, you have to follow these steps. Step 1, do not panic. Step 2, turn on the knob on test, and when you see the green light on, which means pump 1 is running. If pump 1 is not turning on, then turn on pump 2 on test mode. Always check for the alarm and make sure that the alarm is working by turning the alarm switch to test mode. Now, even after following these steps, if the floor water level is the same, then immediately reach out to your manager and call a plumber. The Sump pump's control panel is located just outside the fire pump room. The first control panel is for stormwater and the second one is for the wastewater. So the wastewater is the one which usually backs up. And we follow all these steps to save Thompson building from a flood. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.